NASA is known for inspirational advances that change the world. We are inventing technologies to live and work on the moon, ensuring the health of our home planet, and revolutionizing air travel. We are also transforming the workplaces where we make all this happen. The Certain Smart Center project at NASA Langley Research Center is at the forefront of this effort.
Well, Certain was born out of a center investment made in 2014 that aimed to incorporate NASA Langley's people, buildings, and landscape into the study of the challenges of autonomous flight. The Certain Smart Center project is leading the strategic migration of Certain to an enhanced capability that will help transform NASA Langley's center operations and safety activities, and also create an even more robust flight research, development, and test environment.
CERTAIN stands for City Environment Range Testing for Autonomous Integrated Navigation. In simpler terms, CERTAIN is a capability used to develop technologies to enable a future where drones deliver goods and services and the skies become an aerial highway for the flying vehicles of tomorrow. In the meantime, Langley's Certain Smart Center project is increasing the center's use of drone flights to support daily operations, safely and efficiently perform facility inspections, enable new research, and more.
As part of the Certain Smart Center effort, we're working to increase the use of small UAS vehicles or drones within the airspace above our 800-acre research center to support facility inspections, for example, to inspect the exterior components of our National Transonic facility. We're also beginning to surveil the center's fence line perimeter using a drone with an onboard camera and equipment that relays a live stream of high-definition video to an observer who's located in a building across the campus.
The proof of concept demonstrated by the transformation of our center will ultimately transform aviation. Working with our partners in government and industry, certain Smart Center activities will lead to dramatic changes.
We'll deliver value to the external community in the form of data, research results, and technology transfer. And we'll also be positioned to deliver value in the form of operational knowledge, lessons learned, and best practices.
NASA Langley's Certain Smart Center project embodies what we do as an organization. We're working together to improve our center and transform lives across the globe.